Hello, my name is Amarella Stilorby from Gaithersburg, Maryland. In 2021, I was doing independent contract work with Amazon, and I came across SETC on YouTube. At first, I was a little skeptical, but I did go on the website, fill in my information, and like the next day, I had all the paperwork ready to download and send to the IRS. The process was so simple. I went ahead and sent my paperwork because I said, what do I have to lose? And 6 weeks later, I got my refund. So I'm so grateful to SETC, and also their customer service is so amazing. I'm really grateful, and yeah, I would recommend them to anyone because they're real and the results are real and the process was just so simple. So thank you.